New York Radio, New York Radio, up to 2004.
Up to 2004, New York. Do you have a copy of that segment, Juliet 5?
Stand by.
Standing by.
And New York up to 2004, negative on the segment. Can you send it to CPLC?
I can read the segment to you now. It must have bounced back, that's why I have it.
Alright, yeah, ready to copy.
Juliet 5, valid until 0120. New York Oceanic FIR and Miami Oceanic FIR. Frequent thunderstorms observed at 2120. Within 3014 north, 6741 west. Actually, disregard, sir. Juliet 6 just came out. Advising ready to copy Juliet 6 instead.
Juliet 6, we have to 2004.
Juliet 6 is valid until 0515. New York Oceanic FIR and Miami Oceanic FIR. Frequent thunderstorms observed at 0115. Within 3059 north, 6807 west. 3028 north, 6531 west, 2334 north, 6614 west, 2053 north, 6940 west, 2441 north, 7250 west, 3059 north, 6807 west, tops level 480, stationary, no change. How copy?
Alright, copy that. We got it all, yep, 2004.
Roger, New York.
New York, United 1471 on Flashback PRO.
United 1471, New York, go ahead.
United 1471, Borex, 0058, level 330.
Confirm Borex at 0058, level 330, Lima 0130, Roger, gets next to field 16.6. And do you have a copy of the segment Juliet 6, segment Juliet 6?
New York Radio, New York Radio, up to 2004.
Confirm JetBlue 1574. What was the call sign?
Yes, JetBlue 2004.
JetBlue 2004, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, it seems like we have some issue with our CPLC here, but it should work, but we would like to request 30 right for weather.
Requesting right deviation 30 nautical miles. Stand by and request, please. Stand by.
If that you broke up, you have to 2004.
Copied request. Stand by, please.
Stand by.
Go American 1359.
American 1359, New York, go ahead.
1359, Delta 6. Fox Hotel, Erie, Quebec.
Coming up.
Okay, American 1359.
Roger, New York. Roger, New York.
New York Radio, Frontier Fly 2266 on A9er.
Frontier 2266, gone.
Frontier Fly 2266 position over taxi. Time 0110 Zulu, fly level 370 Max, 79er. Roll tide 015784 next.
Copy 0110, level 370, Mach 79, bow tie 0157, Maycore next. This is your new primary with a backup of 6586, and here's Telcom.
Local check, okay, Frontier Fly 2266, and backup is 586. Frontier Fly 2266, over.
Roger, New York. ATC is requesting squawk 6051 on the squawk if you aren't already. Clear, thank you.
Stockholm Radio, JetBlue 841. Request cell call check on 89er 30 with Charlie, Quebec, Echo Juliet. Stockholm Radio, how copy JetBlue 841?
New York, JetBlue 1462 on 8918, negative CPLC.
Copy 1462, copy negative CPDLC. Go ahead, sir.
Alright, position, burn up 0128, 023.5, estimate, Macor 0133, multi neck, 340.
Inferno 0128, confirm level 330, Macor 0133, bow tie next, and say again the fuel.
Okay, fuel is 23.5 and altitude is for level 340.
340 and fuel 23.5. Do you have that segment Juliet 6?
Negative.
Would you like a copy?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Stand by one.
New York, Frontier 52266.
Call New York, stand by please. JetBlue 1462, the segment Juliet 6 is valid until 0515. New York Oceanic FIR in Miami, Oceanic FIR, frequent thunderstorms observed at 0115. Within 3059 north, 6807 west, 3028 north, 6531 west, 2334 north, 6614 west, 2053 north, 6940 west, 2441 north, 7250 west, and 3059 north, 6807 west. Top level 480, stationary, no change. No copy.
JetBlue 1642, correction 1462, copy all.
Roger, your backup is 6586, your cell call.
Protocol check good for JetBlue 8918. Correction now, JetBlue 1462.
Roger, New York, there was a Frontier calling. What was the call sign?
Frontier 52266.
Frontier 2266, go ahead.
Here 52266, Mike to request 20 Lima 20 left, of course, for weather ahead, please.
Requesting deviation 20 nautical miles left Lima, stand by on request, please.
Radio, New York Radio, JetBlue 841 on 89er, tree, West Cell call check, Charlie, Quebec, Echo Julia.
JetBlue calling New York Second.
And New York, that's JetBlue 841 on 89er, tree, and Charlie, Quebec, Echo Juliet.
Charlie, Quebec, Echo Juliet, stand by.
Cell call check, okay, JetBlue 841.
New York. Correction now, JetBlue 1462.
Roger, New York, there was a Frontier calling. What was the call sign?
Frontier 52266.
Frontier 2266, go ahead.
Here 52266, Mike to request 20 Lima 20 left, of course, for weather ahead, please.
Requesting deviation 20 nautical miles left Lima, stand by on request, please.
Radio, American 135.
American 135, New York, go on.
135 southeast, 0131, flight level 360. Seal, that's level 0208. Hail on board. Next to nothing, fuel on board. 19.19.6.
South 30131, level 360, seal 0208, nappy next, seal 19.6. 20, that's 20 miles prior to seal, New York Center 128.5. And then at a nappy, new primary, 5520.
Over VHF frequency from Michael 135.
128.5.
We have shield 128.5, and then our nappy 5920. American 137.
That's 20 miles before seal on 128.5, and then Nappy was 5520, 5520.
20 prior to shield, 128.5, and then a nappy 5520. American 137.
Roger, New York, good day. Frontier 2266, New York clearance.
New York, Frontier 2266, go ahead.
New York, cleared, Frontier 2266. Clear to deviate up to left Lima 20 nautical miles of route. Rejoin route by time 0212. Report back en route. Read back, please.
Alright, you're clear from Sierra Flight 2266, so deviate up to 20 Lima left on course, enter unit route by time 0212. From Sierra Flight 2266, time now is 133.
2266, read that correct, and affirm time 0133, thank you.
Alright, over. New York, JetBlue 836 on 8918, squawk in 4142, positive CPLC.
JetBlue 836, squawking 4142 CPDLC, your backup is 5520, cell phone.
SoCal check okay, and the backup's 5520, JetBlue 836.
Roger, New York.
JetBlue 1462.
JetBlue 1462, go ahead.
Yeah, JetBlue 1462, position Maker 0132, point level 340. Estimate bow tie 0157, Deepak mix, fuel T3.1.
Airport 0132, level 340, bow tie 0157, Deepak Tax, fuel T3.1.
That's all correct, and JetBlue 1462 also requesting final 360.
Requesting 360, stand by on request.
JetBlue 73 is on 8918, requesting SoCal check.
Say again the call sign?
JetBlue 73, Kilo Papa Delta.
JetBlue 73 here, cell call.
Thank you.
Roger, New York, good day. JetBlue 1462 clearance.
JetBlue 1462, go ahead.
Air KTC clearance, JetBlue 1462, climb to reach flight level 360, by time 0150, report level 360, read back please.
JetBlue 1462, clear to 360 by 0, I believe you said 50, and we'll report the level.
JetBlue 1462, read that correct, time now 0136.
JetBlue 1462.
Yes, thank you.
New York, JetBlue 7 on 89033.
JetBlue Flight 7 New York.
We're requesting a SoCal check Bravo Juliet Alpha Fox.
Bravo Juliet Fox, on that.
SoCal check okay, JetBlue 7. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
New York, good day. New York, JetBlue 1462.
JetBlue 1462, New York, got it.
Yes, for weather request. 25 miles left in Lima, of course.
Requesting deviation 25 nautical miles left Lima, stand by on request. JetBlue 1462, New York, clearance.
JetBlue 1462, go ahead.
Yeah, KTC clear, JetBlue 1462, clear to deviate up to left Lima 25 nautical miles of route. Please right here, 5 times 0231, report back on route. Read back please.
JetBlue 1462, clear to deviate up to 25 nautical miles left in Lima, of course. Be back on course by 0231 and report back on course.
JetBlue 1462, read back is correct, time now 0151.
JetBlue 1462, right.
New York.
New York, JetBlue 1462. Position.
JetBlue 1462, New York, got it.
JetBlue 1462, position 20 miles left to Lima, bow tie 0158, wind level 360. Estimate Dupax is 0218, passing next. Fuel 20.6.
Steam bow tie 0152, level 360. Estimating Dupax
Estimate Dupax 0218, and everything else correct.
Estimating
Here, there, Frontier Flight 2266. Frontier Flight 2266.
Frontier 2266, go ahead.
Frontier Flight 2266 is back on course time 0210.
Copy back on route, please.
And here, Frontier Flight 2266.
United 1543.
Air Frontier Flight 2266, make or 0225, Volvo 370, Max 79er, inch 0231, length is Max.
340-225, level 370, Mach 79, King 0231, line next, over King San Juan on 134.3.
Over King San Juan 34.3, connect. New York, Erie, Delta, Whiskey, India, 5382. American 5382. Estimated position Lincoln at 0238. Flight level 360.79er.
Touching Recon 023, level 360, Mach 79er, this primary with backup 6586, your cell call.
Delta check positive Dominican 5382 with frequency Vietnam 6586. Yeah, for 158 position.
Delta 158, New York, confirm CPDLC.
Affirm, CPDLC, ADSC equipped, entry Lindholm, exit Oxana, flight level 360, decimal 78 request, cell call, Mike Sierra, Alpha Juliet, over. Cell call backup 5550 for 158. New York, Dominican 5382 position.
American 532, New York, God.
Dominican 5382 position Lincoln 0238, flight level 360.79er. Next, Idido, Lima India Delta Oscar at 0308. Next, James, Juliet Alpha, India, November Sierra.
Recon 023, level 360, Mach 79, Elito 030, James next. Make your Elito report on 5550.
Idido report on 5550, Dominican 5382.
Roger, New York,